turning cauliflower into creamy Alfredo sauce. Welcome back to Living Clean in the Country. Today, we're going to turn cauliflower into a delicious creamy Alfredo sauce, so it's guilt-free, which is fantastic, especially this time of year. So we're going to take half a head of cauliflower and chop it or just break it into chunks to be steamed. I'm using my Instant Pot to steam my cauliflower, so I'm going to add a cup of water to it, put on the lid, put it on seal, and then steam it for 10 minutes. Now that it's done steaming, I'm going to add the steamed cauliflower to my blender. To this, add about a quarter cup to half a cup of liquid of your choice. I'm using plain almond milk, about a teaspoon or more of garlic, depending on how you like to taste, and about a teaspoon of this 21 seasoning mix from Trader Joe's. You can add anything else that you like yours to taste like. This is how I like mine to taste. And then you put on the lid and blend it up. You're gonna have to use the plunger thingy-majiggy that comes with your blender to get it started, and then it should be no time at all until it is creamy goodness. Now that it's done blending, just pour it over the pasta that you choose to use. I'm actually using the Go quinoa pasta, just the macaroni noodles, because that's what I had on hand. A lot of times I'll add in some broccoli just to add some more vegetables, but today I didn't have broccoli, so this is a very plain chicken Alfredo that I made. And just stir it in. This is a really easy way to sneak some extra vegetables in, especially if you have picky eaters, like my husband. Plate it up, top it however you'd like. I'm using some chicken breast and some hot sauce, and enjoy this really guilt-free meal. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.